Hi friends, welcome to story time today. The other day I went for a walk and I heard some frogs. I was walking along a river and I could hear the frogs calling to each other. And that made me think of I have a frog book at home and I should read it to you. So we're going to read a story today called Fantastic Frogs. The author's name is Faye Robinson and the illustrator's name is Jean Castles. Fantastic Frogs. Leaping over streams and logs, hip-hop, plip-plop, flip-flop frogs. It's kind of tricky to say. Short, squat bodies, bulging eyes, tiny frogs or football size. Maybe all the frogs you've seen are brown like bark or leafy green. But in jungles far away, frogs put on a great display. Green or turquoise poured on black, frogs with paintings on their backs. So these are different colors. Racing stripes and bold pink bellies. Bright red frogs like berry jelly. Really bright colors. Frogs like sunshine, others blue and black as night. Chins blown out like red balloons, helping males sing froggy tunes. So the male is the boy, and that was probably the one I heard on the trail. Eggs in globs or eggs in rows. Inside each egg a tadpole grows. Tadpoles hatching from their eggs. They swim like fish. They have no legs. The tadpole. Back legs, front legs start to sprout. Soon a froglet hops about. It's still a froglet when it has a little bit of the tail on there. You can see how the legs can grow. Frogs that climb and frogs that swim. Frogs that fly and frogs that grin. A grin is a smile. Bugs for lunch are very nice. Big-mouthed frogs might dine on mice. Bathing in the sun for hours, peering out of little flowers. Eyes with hoods and droopy folds. Eyes like fire, eyes like gold. Silly frogs in funny poses. Lumpy frogs with big, long noses. Leaping over streams and logs, hip-hop, plip-plop, flip-flop frogs. Now in the back of the book, on the next couple of pages, it talks about the different kinds of frogs that were in the story. We have a red-eyed tree frog, Goliath frog, that was the really big one. Another red-eyed tree frog, a bullfrog, a barking tree frog, I like that name. Harlequin frog, bullfrog, dart poison frog, strawberry dart poison frog, pygmy banana frog, dart poison frog, golden mantella. And on this page we have blue dart poison frog, a froglet, you can see its tail, glass large-eyed frog, male short-headed frog, White's tree frog, green frog, male painted reed frog, bullfrog, South American horned frog, that was the one that ate the mouse, tadpole, Asiatic gliding frog, yellow spotted reed frog, a few more on this page. Dart poison frog, Malaysian red-eyed frog, spatulate-nosed tree frog, Asian leaf frog, that one almost looks like a leaf, African big-eyed tree frog, a leopard frog. Why do you think it's called a leopard frog? White's tree frog, red-eyed tree frog, and there's another leopard frog. Do you think it's because they have spots like a leopard? I think so too. Well, maybe you'll hear some frogs when you're outside too. Have a great day, friends.